Hi, my name is Derek Van Otten from Utah. I own Peak Signing Notary Service. And when I'm looking for my notaries to service my clients, I'm looking for the loan signing system students because I know they're going to have the education, they're going to have the experience, and they're going to have the professionalism to take care of my clients and do the best signing that they can do.
I always look for loan signing system students, always. And I'm always looking for the word LSS or loan signing system in their bios. Because I know that when I work with an LSS student, I'm gonna have a great experience with them. They're gonna be very trained, professional, and kind and polite and grateful. And I know that if there are any mistakes, I know they will go out there and fix it right away. I just know that 100%. And the funny thing is that with LSS students, they're always booked. Always booked. They're always in high demand. So when I see LSS, I'm like, oh, they're probably gonna be booked and I probably won't be able to get them, or I'll have to pay them way more. So be LSS trained.
Hi, my name is Chelsea from Arizona, and I own the nationwide signing service, Young Mobile Notary, and I look for loan signing system certified students because not only am I and my husband personally loan signing system trained, but we know the quality of the training you get, and we know the caliber of the notaries who choose to invest in their education with loan signing systems. We know that we're going to get a fantastic product delivered for our clients, and we want to do everything we can to support this fantastic community of notaries.
My name is Melina Mayor from the Closing Signing Service in Florida. We hire notaries nationwide to close real estate transactions for mortgage professionals, and our preferred notaries are loan signing system students because we know that we get flawless signings.
I'm the LSS ambassador for Ohio. I also own a signing service called Amazing Notary. We always look for loan signing system students because they are the best trained students. My signing service knows if it's an LSS student, we're going to hire them first because we know that they're trained. Get that LSS certification, upload that into your profile, and we will call you first.
Hi, I'm Chanel Hernandez. My company is Successful Signings. I hire loan signing system students from all around the country because they communicate, they're reliable, they never leave me wondering if the job is going to get done right. Hi, my name is Irene Rueda, and I own a nationwide signing service. I'm from Arizona, and what I look for in signing agents is that they are LSS certified. The reason I look for LSS certified students is because I know how I was trained, and we are reliable. We know what we're doing. I know that LSS student is going to get VIP service, and that's what's important to me.
Hi, my name is Lauren Ellis, and I'm from Florida, and I own a nationwide signing service, Notary Signatures LLC. And I look for loan signing system certified students. They are educated, they're reliable, they have a great attitude, and they're always willing to learn and go above and beyond.
Hi, my name is Melissa. I am from Arizona, and I own a nationwide signing service called The Nearby Notary. And I look for loan signing system certified students when I'm sending out my orders because they are passionate and they truly care about every file that they are signing.
Hi everyone, my name is Dipti Goodwin. I am from California. I own a nationwide signing service and it's called EverCloud Signings. Basically, when I go to look for notaries to help out with my closings, I look for LSS students first. I think one of the biggest reasons is most of the time, LSS notaries know how to do the closing, what to look for in the documents. Don't miss a date, don't miss a signature, don't miss an initial. It's that simple. I love giving back to the LSS community. Hi, my name is Jamie from California, and I own the nationwide signing service of Purple Notary Signings. In fact, I only work with loan signing students from Loan Signing System at the moment because they are super reliable. I know that they are trained amazingly, and they have the stamp of success from Mark himself.
Hey, I'm Tina Scott from Conroe, Texas. I am also the Texas ambassador for the LSS. I'm also a signing service, so it's Platinum Notary Signing Service. I do look for LSS students, and only because they are trained. I know they're trained because that's where I got my training, and they actually know and care about what they're doing. I have come across tons of notaries, and there's not many that are like the LSS. So with that, just know that you can guarantee that I'm going to pick you if you're an LSS student in a different state.